Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I'll quickly show you how I modeled a Crocs right inside Blender. Alright, so it's simple. Yeah, if you just follow these steps. Alright, so I've shown how to add a picture, or rather import a picture in Blender. So you can check the link in the description box. So all you need to do is add in your mesh, do some loop cuts on your mesh using Ctrl R. Yes, Ctrl R. Then you try to fit in, or rather size in your mesh to match the picture you are working with, or rather the reference image you are working with, whatever. So try to size it in. Through and then switch to the back view, or rather the right orthographic as it's displayed on the screen here, but actually I placed my back view on the right orthographic. So that is it. So at the end of the day, we're having this after I might have switched in and then dragging my vertices to meet with the actual shape of the Crocs. So I will do the same for this. I am dragging this in using, I select and then I press G, then drag along that particular axis. If it is on X, I drag on X axis. If it's on Y, I drag on Y axis. I'll make sure I fit in my mesh to the diagram, or rather to the picture, and I'll do the same for the other side, and I'll do the same for all the sides, so to get my shape right. That is the basic thing. Then after that we'll start with the detailing. So I think it's the right time to save my work. Yes, in case if Blender stops. So it's nice I save my work now, so I'll be able to retrieve whatever I have done before the work eventually if it stops. So it's good to save your work on time. That is it. So I will keep dragging in my vertices till I achieve the desired shape. done a video on how to make holes on meshes, so you can also check the link in the description box. So I'll quickly show you how I was able to make holes on this Crocs by selecting the front part. I selected using my mouse. I selected one after the other to be sure of what I'm selecting actually. So there are several ways you can select anyway in Blender, but I did mine one after the other. Alright, so you do your poke faces and then poke faces, trees squad, poke faces, trees to quad. That's just exactly what I did there. After which I had my divisions the way I needed them. So after that I'll have to select a particular vertex and then go to the option and choose an option that will enable me select the uniform vertices, and after that I bevel it, scale it up, bevel, and then I have this. Then I will scale to make a decent circle, so the circle, or maybe a sphere, something more, something close to what we have on the reference image. And note, I'm not copying the reference image as it is. I'm just trying to take the reference as something to work with. So quickly I just deleted the faces after I might have, gotten the kind of sphere or the kind of shape I want. And after that I did what they call solidifier. I added the solidify modifier to enable me, have a feel of what I'm doing. So now adding solidify modifier will help add more thickness to your mesh. As you can see, I have more thickness. It's not just as it was before. So now I have more thickness on my mesh. So I'll quickly start adding details. So the first details I tried adding, or rather I'm adding on this, is a bump, a groove that is always on Crocs generally. So I added this, and then I made more edge loops, edge loop cuts, and then try to size in my meshes proper, just to get everything, every single thing checked. I have to go through everything and get everything sorted. I have to be sure that every single thing I am trying to do on this very model, every single vertex must connect. That is the objective. Get it right and get it properly done. So I try to extrude on the former, or rather on this particular ankle, and it's not really giving me what I want. So I'll probably develop another one that will enable me add the groove I intend adding this particular ankle hole. This is just a guide. You can always figure a lot of things out as you practice. So practice is what you really need to get it and get it right. All I need to do now is add smooth modify. How to smooth modify? All you need to just right click to get your options, and then you click on smooth surface, not smooth modify, smooth surface. You click on your smooth surface, and then you have it Then the next is to add material. Yes, quickly I added my mesh, my base, and then I added my colors. You can get a video on how to add um, materials on your object right inside Blender in the description below, so you can quickly check it out and see how it is. So this is how I was able to model a Crocs right inside Blender. I hope you enjoyed it. Yes, I hope you enjoyed it. So do well to like, share, subscribe, and turn on your notification. Alright, you can also drop in a comment on areas you wish I can, or areas you want me to do videos on, and I will be glad to respond and do them. Alright, see you next time.